गोंयांत सध्या गरमेचो हुलोप जाणवपाक लागला. तशेंच हीट वेव येवपा सारकी परिस्थिती आसा. गोंयांत जावपी हवामान बदलाचे आदले NIOचे वैज्ञानीक आनी हवामान अभ्यासक रमेश कुमार हाणें हुस्को उक्तायला.
सध्या गोंयांत तापमानाच्या प्रमाणात बरीच वाड जाल्या. गरमी सोंसून नजो जाल्ल्यान लोकांची पावलां सध्या सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक आनी लिंबू सोडा कडेन वळपाक लागल्यात. मात ह्यान फुडें आनीकूय गरमी वाडून हीट वेव येवपाची शक्यताय आसा. तशेंच अरबी दर्यांतूय तापमानाचें प्रमाण सद्याक वाडपाक लागिल्ल्यान नुस्तें उत्पादनाचेर ताचो भरपूर प्रमाणात परिणाम जातलो म्हूण आदले NIOचे वैज्ञानीक आनी हवामान अभ्यासक रमेश कुमारान हुस्को उक्तायला.
2014 to 2023 was one of the warmest decade of the century. 2023 was actually the warmest year of the whole century. 2024 January, February, March, each month has been warming and it has been one of the warmest of the several decades or several years. So things have been actually changing from bad to worse. And most of the places in Goa, we have actually like heat wave like conditions. So, which is also I would say, is a bad story. So far, we have not got any heat waves. And unfortunately, Goa didn't receive much of the pre-monsoon showers, which is supposed to receive in either in the months of March and April. No doubt, the maximum pre-monsoon showers come in the month of May. So all these actually make I should say, a bad story as far as the meteorology is concerned, as well as the air sea interaction and the ocean. All this.
And the minimum temperature in Goa is rising, it seems.
Very true, very true. So it looks as if there's, in fact, Nita had actually reported it's almost 28 degrees Celsius. Can you think actually a minimum temperature of 28? This actually had happened. So I would say there is the range has substantially decreased between the minimum. And this particular year, the temperature has actually increased from the middle of February itself. In fact, we call December, January, February is actually the winter months, or January, February we call as winter months. Even the temperature has started increasing from the middle of February, which is actually very ominous, or I should say a dangerous trend, which is a bad thing actually for the state of Goa.
पोरू वर्साच्या तुळेंत अंदू वर्सा मॉन्सून गोंयांत बेगीन दाखल जावपाची शक्यताय आसा. मे म्हयन्यांत मॉन्सून पूर्व पावस पडल्या उपरांत गोंयकारांक गरमे पासून मातशी थकाय मेळटली म्हूण आदले NIOचे वैज्ञानीक आनी हवामान अभ्यासक रमेश कुमाराचें म्हणणें.
I am hoping that the maximum rainfall of the pre-monsoon showers come in the month of May. So we should have actually a couple of rains actually in the month of May. And this year we are going to have a La Nina condition. So I would say we will actually have actually good monsoon over the state of Goa in the months of actually July and August. And maybe monsoon may come towards the end of May or maybe early. So we may have an early onset of monsoon this year, hopefully. And Goa will have plentiful amount of rainfall, especially in the months of actually July and August. That's the peak monsoon months. And Goa should not have much of a problem. And the month of May, we should be all right. Because with a couple of pre-monsoon showers, that will bring the temperatures down.
गोमंतक TV खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर नीरज नाईक.